Hey there, my name's Joel Young and I'm the owner and creative director here at Jumpstart Video. And I'm really excited to share these videos with you that are listed here on this page because we've created these just for real estate agents, real estate brokers and brokerages. Real estate professionals of any kind can use these videos to set themselves up as subject matter experts on their website, social media channels, YouTube, you name it. Get these videos out in the world and get them working for you. All you have to do is look at the links below, watch the exact videos that you can purchase, and send us your logo and contact information, and within 24 hours, we'll put the two together, send them back to you so you have branded content to go out and share in the world. So we really are excited to share this with you and hope this is just one more way we can help make animation accessible.